Hi friends, my name is Rajesh. Welcome to my channel. Today I am discussing how to download and install Oracle. Okay, how to download and install Oracle software. Okay, to download Oracle software, go to Google Chrome and type Oracle 11G, Oracle download. Level G not required. Oracle download. Okay, click on first link. Oracle download. Go to Google Chrome. Enter Oracle download. Click on first link, Oracle database software download. Click on first link. Okay, Oracle site is open. One page, Oracle page is open. Okay, say Windows, for Windows is Oracle software is there. Linux specific software, it is dependent on the specific Windows, friends. These are okay. I am using a Windows software, so I am downloading zip file. Okay, click on I received on that box. Click on that. I received and accept the Oracle license agreement. Okay, download. Select download. It will not download directly. You should create a Oracle account. If you not have any Oracle account, create that Oracle account. Just it will ask your details and it will send a confirmation mail to your mail. Okay, I have already created this Oracle account, so I will give my username and password. Okay, see, I got one mail from Oracle after giving my details. Okay, it will ask your phone number, mail ID, that. Okay, password. Okay, new password. I will give that username Rajesh dot a 464 having 5. I am giving my mail ID and password. Sign in. Click on sign in. See downloading. To download Oracle software, it takes more time. So I have already Oracle. So Oracle software. Okay, after downloading your Oracle software, okay, it will show a zip file in your downloads folder. You just right click and unzip that, then you will find one setup folder. Then you will find one setup file. Okay, to learn Oracle, please subscribe my channel, friends. Okay, see, one setup file is setup file will be presented. Okay, latest one Oracle 19c. Okay, click on that setup file. Double click on that setup file. It takes more time to download. Already it will downloaded a download folder. I am installing that Oracle folder. Okay, it takes more time, so I already have now. I am taking that. Okay, double click on setup file. You will find one setup file. Double click on that. Installation also take more time, friends. Okay, I never seen other softwares take this much time, but Oracle downloading and installing, it's taking more time. Okay, see, now extracting Oracle, installing C, Oracle software, installing C. Okay, to learn C, Java, Oracle and other technologies, please subscribe my channel, friends. Okay, Oracle software installing. Install Oracle software. It takes time, friends. Okay, I will. Please subscribe my channel, friends. If anybody not subscribe my channel, anybody watching first time, please subscribe my channel, friends, to give more motivation. I have done lot of Oracle videos, friends. Please watch my remaining videos also. Okay, click on next option. Click on next. Okay, I accept the terms in the license agreement. Read that if it possible, and click on next. And click on next. It will Oracle database 11G Express edition. Any software also Oracle we should follow same process. Okay, click on next. Click on yes. Okay, enter password. Give your password, friends. The database username is system. You should give password or manager, anything, your name. I am giving password. Confirm password. Oracle username is system. Password is your wish. You can give anything. Confirm password. Confirm password. Next. Password do not match. Sorry. Click on next. Click on install. Software is installing. It takes more time, friends, so it is taking time. Okay, if I show downloading also, you take a minimum 20-25 minutes time. Okay, this time I'm showing installing. Oracle software link will be given in the description, friends. Okay, click on finish. Click on finish. Next. Click on next. Click on I accept the license terms in the license agreement. Click on next. Click on next. Again click on next. Click on finish. Click on finish. Okay, Oracle database is downloaded in on your desktop, and in the C drive Oracle exe folder will be downloaded. Once check in your system after downloading. Okay, run SQL command line runner. Click on that. Okay, we should do. See, SQL command line runner is downloaded. Okay, some problem is there. SQL command line runner is downloaded, friends. If you get like this white screen, enter CL space SCR cleared screen, then exit and then start. If it is showing white screen means I should restart or restart, friends. Okay, please like, share, subscribe, friends. See, I will restart it, then it is showing correct. SQL connect to username system and password enter. Invalid username it is showing. Okay, system password enter. System connected. See, SQL connected successfully. Okay, thank you, friends. Please subscribe my channel.